Welcome to my channel. How to set up the TP-Link Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. Step 1. Connect the power adapter to the Deco M4 and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for the LED blink to change from yellow to blue. If it does not blink blue, then reset the Deco device by pressing the reset button on the device. Step 2. Connect to the internet and choose a router or access point mode. Step 3. To set up router mode, turn off the modem and connect one end of Ethernet to the modem and the other end to the TP-Link Deco mesh. Then, turn on the modem. Step 4. For AP mode, connect to the Deco by connecting one end of the Ethernet to a router and the other with the Deco. Step 5. Download the TP-Link Deco app and register with the TP-Link ID for a new setup, or log in if you already have one. Step 6. Choose the Deco model and read the instructions before turning your Deco on and connecting to the internet. Step 7. If the LED blinks blue, the connection is successful. Then, go to Settings and connect your tablet or phone to your Wi-Fi. Step 8. After the before step, the Deco app will scan and connect automatically. You can verify it by seeing that the LED blink is turning stable. Step 9. Now you can create a Wi-Fi network and set up the SSID password. Then, go to Settings and connect the phone or tablet to the newly configured Wi-Fi. Step 10. Return to the Deco app and wait for the connection. Once the device's LED turns white, it means online. Thank you for watching.